Here's our project board again. 3 loads, our power source, and our 3 switches. Make sure that's off. Don't want to fry ourselves. Okay, we're going to build this. 120 volts coming off of our power source to our single pole, single throw switch. Out of our single pole, single throw switch to our first load. Out of our first load and into our second load. Out of our second load and return to neutral. L1 to our switch, to our first load, to our second load, and return to neutral. We will now apply power. As you can see, both lights are fairly dim. The reason being is, even though we are supplied 120 volts, and I know that's reading 119 some change, remember, it's not an exact science. Your voltage will vary from time to time, and that variance is 10%. So, each load is using 60 volts, or in this case 59 and some change. But the total is 120. But because they are in series, they must split that voltage. The amperage is still the same, but the voltage is divided, which means there's not as much force pushing those electrons, and neither light will operate as brightly. The same thing will happen if you try to put in 2 motors in series, 2 solenoid coils in series, etc. You're not going to get the proper operation out of that. That is why we wire our circuits in parallel.